Hi everyone, it's Happy Mail Queen. As you guys can see, I have this huge box from my friend Tara Finch. Hey girl! I'd show my nails, but my nails look horrible right now, you guys. I didn't want to do this video with horrible nails, but oh well, I'm super excited. I've been wanting to open this since yesterday, but oh my goodness, between my two kids, wow. Like their projects, we stayed up. Once again, I stayed up till about, well, I was up till 2 last night. So I am exhausted, but it's going to be a busy weekend, you guys. So, but look at her cute packaging. Oh my gosh. I put some doodlebug washi just to cover up our addresses, but how adorable! It's so cute. My packaging is pretty plain compared to yours, Tara, so. Alright, let's open this. Thank you so much, Tara. You are so sweet. You did not have to get me all these things, you know, but she emails me and it's like, do you have this? Do you want this? Oh my gosh, I told you guys, all my friends are just super sweet and very, very thoughtful. So let me get this box moved because, oh my gosh, it is like super tall. Oh, you're so sweet. Look, I am loving how you guys are decorating the inside of the box. I mean, you know, like the flaps. Oh my gosh, look, she even put my name. With a bow. That is so cute, Tara. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness, look. I feel like it's seriously my birthday, but according to my hubby, it's over. But Siv, I was talking to your buddy. Oh, did I just call you Siv? Tara, I was talking to your buddy Siv. And she said, no, your birthday's not over. I might be meeting up with her this next Thursday. So, yay, can't wait. Oh my gosh, Tara. Oh! This is so cute. Look at her packaging. Okay, you guys. Going to be kind of a mess because these little thingies are everywhere. I love this green mix that you have here. It's not a mix, but you know what I mean. The crinkly paper, that color is so pretty. Mine are like super like green, like it's not minty green. This is so cute. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, I feel like a kid. Opening presents. Ooh, that's pretty. That's a pretty die. Huh, thank you. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me see. I think I can just slide this over. Look at this gorgeous, super heavyweight tag that she made me. Everything's in bloom. Oh my gosh, Tara, that is super cute. Oh my gosh. Girl, you're only supposed to send me, like, you know, stuff. Just the stuff we talked about. Not like this is like a full-on swap. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. I didn't even send you one of these. Okay, that's it. I'm going to have to send you another package. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, and then there's a little pearl that probably fell off something. Maybe this one. That's okay. I can fix that. Not a problem. Okay, I don't even know. Should I open this one first? I don't know. Wait, let's get to the stuff that she got me from TM because I'm not sure. Oh my gosh. My gosh, Tara, what did you put in here? Okay, wait. Okay, now let's open this one because she has a lot of stuff packaged in this pretty tissue, and oh my gosh, Tara. Oh, I feel like I didn't get you enough stuff. Oh my gosh! I have not made any of these, you guys. Oh, I love it! My first hoop! Oh, that is adorable. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love the colors. This combination right now, I am just loving this pretty mint green and pink. Ooh, it's like, I love it. You are, wow, you are like, you know how to package stuff. Look at this. She even put bubble wrap over my, this is so pretty. I love the way you're doing your rosettes, girly. I'm going to have to try this. I just bought a die from TM. I don't have a big one though, like this one, to make the scallops. That is really pretty, Tara. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love this. That is so cute. Did you make that? Wow. Okay, this might be a long video because this box is huge, you guys. She gave me so. Oh, thank you for this. I've been forever wanting one of these, and I almost ordered some from Etsy because I can never find them at the Dollar Tree. I know some of you guys have hauled these. I don't know if this is the one from Dollar Tree, but that is so pretty. Look, everything coordinates. It's mint. That gem is a mint color. Oh, thank you, Tara. I didn't pick up any of these. Eggs. I was really trying not to pick up too much Easter stuff, but thank you so much. Oh, these are so pretty. I love it. And this is gorgeous. Look at all those florals. Thank you so much. And I love your packaging. Your pretty bow. Oh, and Bow Bunny. Which one is this one? Oh, Serendipity. Girl, I don't know if you saw my last haul, but I found a really pretty paper. I don't know if you have that one. I'm going to have to ask you. But, oh, thank you so much. She sent me the Bella Rosa Noteworthy because I didn't have this one. Oh, thank you, girl. This is so pretty. This is pretty. I did not have this one. I did not find any of these at, anywhere near me. The only one I saw was the 12 by 12 paper. This is gorgeous. This is gorgeous, Tara. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. I'm gonna have to like display this on my wall somewhere. I'm seriously like, I don't have too much wall to display. I think I'm gonna have to start displaying some of my like handmade things. I want to try to get back into doing canvases, and not like I've been doing a whole lot of that. I've made like a few just small ones, small canvas. Thank you. Oh wow, that is so special, girl. That is just amazing. Oh, and then she got me the Bow Bunny. Oh wow, wait a minute. Wait a minute. You didn't find this at, what do you call it, did you? Was this from TM? This looks like a kit. Yeah, I mean the 12 by 12. Thank you for these. Wow, okay. So, oh, look how pretty. I do love this Serendipity one. This is one of the ones that I kind of wanted to pick up. Oh, thank you. And she gave me the Bow Bunny Down by the Sea. And I need to find another ephemera. And thank you for this one, because I didn't have this one. I did not see this. Oh, wow. You gave me a couple of them. Thank you. So generous. Thank you so much. And look at this beautiful, beautiful paper. Wow. This is so pretty. Oh, it's a sticker pack. Okay. Seriously, girl. Wow. Oh, look at that. The tags. That is really cute. Look. How easy is that, right? You just stick it on like a 110-pound paper, and then you have a tag already. Just embellish with like trim and flowers. And you're done. That's so pretty. Oh, thank you. I told you not to give me so much. But thank you so much. Okay, wait. I think there's two different. Oh, okay. Girl, I only needed like just a little bit. No wonder you're, oh my gosh. I have to send you a lot more. Girl, this is so cute. She did tell me she was sending this one. Thank you so much. That is really pretty. Wow. Okay. This is very nice. Thank you. Okay, there's more. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see. I'm trying to hurry it up, but I didn't want to wait. I was waiting all day yesterday to open my package, but my kids needed me. And we're celebrating my husband's birthday, so I'm going to be leaving probably in half an hour. But I said, no, I want to open this. He's not home yet, so he's at work, my hubby. This is so pretty. Oh, look at the bunny butt. How cute. This is so cute. You made me a little loaded bag. Live life in full bloom. And this is her note. Just a few Easter goodies for you to enjoy. A few? You gave me a lot. So glad our paths crossed and we connected. Aw, thank you, Tara. Look how pretty her card is. I love it. Oh my gosh. Some more goodies. Oh, this is gorgeous. You know, I have to see your, did you do a tutorial on this one? I don't think I saw it if you did a tutorial. I have to watch. This is very pretty. Look at those colors. Love it. So I can embellish it however I want. Thank you so much. And then this is, oh, balloons. Oh, it's the smack the pack. Okay, yay, I have another one. That's what Genevieve and I will be doing this weekend. Oh, and these are pretty felt bunnies. Did you buy these or did you cut them? I don't have them. If you did buy them, I don't know where she got this one, but look how cute. I like that little pinwheel. I might have to get that one. Erica uses that a lot too, and it's so pretty. Thank you. Your packaging is just awesome, girl. God, what else? Okay. Love this ribbon. I picked that up too. Oh my gosh, it feels heavy. Oh, the papers. Okay. Can't save it. Sorry, but I can't save it. This is so pretty. I love this color. Thank you. And you probably saw my haul that I was able to find some of these. Thank you so much. I'm gonna of course share and I'm keeping this one. Thank you. Oh, and yes, she did say she picked this up for me because I have the stickers. Yay. So July 4th will be coming up soon. You know, it's going to sneak up on me. I know it. So yay, I have some paper already to work with. Thank you for that. Love, love, love it. Oh gosh, it just keeps going on and on. Girly. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, girl, your packaging is just super duper. Mine is going to be boring. I packaged one thing that's like really, really, you know, I think it's pretty, but girl. And you're so sweet. Look, she put tulle. She packaged everything with tulle. I love tulle. You probably know that. Oh, it's for Genevieve. I should have read the card first. Okay, I won't open this one. I'll have her open it. She'll be super excited. Oh my gosh. Especially if there's candy in there. Oh boy. Okay, I'm gonna put that together in a little bit. Okay. then, oh, yay, look. We're both collecting these, and I only found the one box, the Barbie box, so thank you for that. I'm not going to open it because she showed it on her channel, but look, these are the Barbie, and I didn't have any of these, the Barbie cards from TJ Maxx. Thank you so much. Love it. And then, oh my gosh, what is this little guy? How adorable. Should I like be opening this? Maybe I should have opened it around, you know, Easter. Oh my gosh, I'm already at 15 minutes. I told you guys this is a long video, but I wanted to open it in front of you all. Okay, look at this. How cute. How cute is the little bunny? That is adorable. Thank you. Ooh, what is this? Trail mix, huh? Bunny bait. That is so cute. I've never seen this. Peanuts, candies, and cookies. Okay, I'm keeping this one. This better not be for Genevieve because I'm keeping this one. That looks yummy. You are so funny. Look what she did. She gave me the... Okay, she found the washi tube that I was looking for all over the place. Well, not all over the place, but... So she said she was sending it to me, but she took it out of the package and she has it in here. So it's like a little Easter egg hunt. Easter washi hunt for me. You are too funny, girly. Oh my god. Oh my god, you are just hilarious. Hilarious. Look how cute. I love these lashes. And these, they are so pretty. Whoops. Too pretty. So girly. That is me. Girly, girly, girly. Oh my god, you are too funny. Here's the one with the sunglasses, and I love that mint color. And I think that's it. Oh wait, there's one more washi. This one says fabulous. Fabulous. Perfectly. I'm perfectly flawed. Oh, that's cute. That is so pretty. Okay. One more. You're really making me hunt these. This is too cute. Oh my god. Look. Here's the other one. Love it. I'm sure you guys have all found this by now, right? C'est la vie. That is so pretty. Thank you so much, Tara. Oh my goodness. This was such a treat to open. Thank you so much. I'm so happy too that our paths crossed, and I told her, you know, I'm keeping her. I'm keeping her because she is just the sweetest lady. Thank you so much for your lovely goodies, and oh my gosh, your handmade stuff. Everything is just so pretty and super adorable, and you just put so much time into putting this box together for me, and I so much appreciate it. Thank you so much. I'm gonna have to email you and mail you something else, because wow, you spoiled me, girl. Thank you. Have a wonderful Easter, Tara, with your family, and have a wonderful Easter to everybody, and enjoy your weekend. Thanks so much for watching and sticking around with me for this long video. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.